I'm Sharon and welcome back to the Sharoni channel. I thought it would be really fun to do some testing of stocking filler presents. So when I went shopping today, I found this little beauty. I hope you can see that. That is a 3-minute chocolate cake in a mug kit. Yes. So it's got a little Toblerone with it. I'm not quite sure what we do with that. So I thought we would test it today, see if it really is 3 minutes, see if it's delicious, and let you guys know whether that is something that would be worth buying as a stocking filler. It was £6 from Asda, but they did have an offer on their stocking filler presents that were 3 for 2. So, you know, there are other things there that you might want to buy and get a good bargain. So, let's have a go. First thing is we're going to wash the mug, and then it does tell you need a couple of other ingredients. Let's see what it says. If I can find the right bit. Oh, here we go, I found it. So I need to add in 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 15 mils of milk. So I'm going to go and gather those up and get everything ready, and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so we're back. We've got a nice clean cup and all of our ingredients. So the directions say wash and dry the cup. We've done that. In the mug, combine the cake mix. Okay. I can't get into it. Oh my god, that's really tough. Right. Let's try it the other way. That's really tough. Okay, we're going to need scissors. Take 2. Scissors. Right, cake mix. Where did that go? Cake mix into the cup. That looks really chocolatey. Can you see that? It smells delicious. It's really chocolatey. So, in the mug, combine the cake mix, egg. Try not to get any shell in now. And it goes. Oh. There. Oh no, I've got egg on my fingers. Back in a minute. Back again. I'm up and down this time. So we've got the cake mix and the egg. And what else? Oil and, oh, so everything, oil and milk. Milk, in you go. Oil, try not to spill this. Oil, in it goes. Okay. Then stir until smooth. I've dug this out. I think this came with a hot chocolate mix at some point, so everything's there. We'll give that a little mix. Ooh. Can you see? Looks like a nice cake mix. Okay, can you see that? That looks great. That's a lovely thick, unctuous chocolate cake mix there. All nicely combined. So you can come out. That broke. So this didn't come with the kit, so don't panic. It doesn't mean the kit's rubbish. This came, I think, with a hot chocolate mix a few years ago, so it's definitely had its wear. But I think I've killed it. So you can go over there for the bin. Okay, what next? You can see I'm holding this at arm's length again. I haven't got my glasses on. Break the Swiss chocolate, milk chocolate into pieces and press into the batter. So it comes with a fun size little Toblerone. So we'll get him out. Tempting just to pop that in and eat it. So we'll break it into pieces. Do we just break it into the 3, do you think? Yeah, I'm not going to be able to break that any, am I? Oh yeah. We'll have some smaller bits and some bigger bits, I think. I guess you can do it however you want. Doesn't say. And then that bit can stay big. Okay. Did it say push them in? I can't remember. Press into the batter. Okay. Push them right in. Okay, they're all in. Do we lick the cake batter or don't we lick the cake batter? It's got raw egg in. Not sure, we probably should, but who cares? Okay, next, microwave for 2 minutes and leave to stand for 1 minute. So here we go. Two minutes. I'll set the time on this because that one's not very accurate. And now we wait. It does say, although it's got a Toblerone in it, whether it's important to you or not, I don't know, but it does say it's not affiliated or connected to Toblerone. They've just chosen to add in a Toblerone to their kit. So it's not the Toblerone brand, whether that's their get out in case it's not not so good, I don't know. But the mug is obviously microwave proof, dishwasher proof, which is good. There is a warning that the mug's going to get hot when it comes out. I'm going to go and get some spoons. Down. So you have to wait 1 minute after it's cooked for 2 minutes, and I'm not going to peep. We're going to wait and we're going to see together when it's rested. So when it comes out, it's going to be good to go, she says. Let's see. Okay, I've got a tea towel now because it said it's going to be hot when it comes out, so to use an oven glove. I haven't got one, so I'll just use the tea towel. Hey Siri, how long left on timer? Oh, done. Okay.
Sorry, could you say that?
Ready for the big reveal? Wow. Look at that bad boy. It's not hot. I forgot to use the cloth. It's a good job it's not hot. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Maybe I should put that on a coaster. By coaster, I mean grotty tea towel, obviously. Okay. Moment of truth. Okay. Can you see that? Steaming, it's nice and light and fluffy. I hope you can see that okay. That's lovely. That's really tasty. Where's them bits of chocolate that are hidden there? That was really good. I don't know where the Toblerone bits went, whether they're deep down or sunk. Oh, is that a bit there? No. Where have they all gone? I recommend, if you've got someone who really likes cake, isn't the best baker, hasn't got the time or the patience to get all the pots and pans out, this is a really good stocking filler, and then they get to keep the mug at the end. and I know there's loads of recipes online where you could do this yourself, but for the gimmick and the easiness of just emptying your packet in and throwing in 3 ingredients, you have to measure 2. So it's a tablespoon of milk, tablespoon of oil, and an egg, and then it's a winner. Winner, chocolate dinner. Okay, here comes Chief Taste Tester, Mr. Paul Bennett. There you go, you're Dr. Paul Bennett, sorry. There you go.
Yeah, right.
What do you think?
It's nice and spongy.
Mm.
It's hot.
Yeah. It's alright, I think that's really nice.
It's nice. I think it needs something with it. Well, it's a bit of fruit or...
Bit of ice cream, I think, would
Bit
go
of ice
nice
cream,
with that, yeah.
something.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. A bit of something to go with it. Bit of raspberry sauce or
Right.
ice cream. There's meant to be some, I've pushed in some hidden bits of Toblerone, but I haven't found any yet.
Yeah, it needs something like a chunk of chocolate or something.
Yeah. Oh, I think I've just found one, have I? No. I keep thinking I found them and they're not there.
Maybe there's sunk.
Yeah.
Right. It's nice.
Thank you
I'll
very
have
much.
it.
All right. Thank you. So, can't speak. I'm going to make a cup of coffee and I'm going to sit and enjoy this with half an hour of television. If you've enjoyed the channel, please think about subscribing. If there's anything else that you've seen that you... oh, I'm sorry. If there's anything else you've seen in the shops that you think might be nice to see reviewed first, drop me a link or a comment, and if I see it and find it and I've got the time and the money, I'll certainly have a look and see if we can review them, because I've really enjoyed doing it. It's been really fun. I hope you've enjoyed it too. Take care, thanks, bye. Found the chocolate. So the chocolate sinks to the bottom. And it really adds something.